if you're watching this video, it's because you've made it. You've made the leap into consciousness. Your guides want me to discuss something with you. It came to me this morning, early this morning, and I decided to write it down so I could have all my notes in order and I wouldn't forget anything. It was a message from the nature spirits. Before we start this new term, the nature spirits want us all to be in alignment and on the same page. The nature spirits are now demanding respect. Although we are all aware, we are all one, right? Which would mean that if we are all one, then we are already intertwined with nature because we are nature. We are one with nature, with Gaia, with the universe. We are now asking that when you go about in your day-to-day life, that you are more gentle and kind to the earth. So when we say earth, her name is Gaia. So we can refer to her as Gaia, or we could just say earth. But we do need to be more kind and gentle and have her best interest at heart as we go about our day-to-day lives. That should always be in the forefront of our minds. We are now asking that the products you use, we need to be mindful in the products we use and the things we use, what we do. How does it affect Gaia? How am I harming myself by using this? Because by harming Gaia, we are only harming ourselves. This is where we live. How are we doing that? Is the gas we put in our cars harming Gaia? Are the foods we're eating, are we littering? Are we not recycling? Are we putting things into the waters, into the oceans? Are we just chucking things out our car windows and driving off quickly? Throwing things into the roads? Wasting things? Not appreciating the earth? Not showing respect? Have you ever stopped and smelled the roses? Have you ever really stopped and smelled the roses? Have you ever gone outside and looked at how beautiful Gaia is and just really appreciated Gaia? I'm so blessed to be here. This is beautiful. Like, I am a part of something amazing. This world is amazing. Those trees are beautiful. And just walked over to a tree and just embraced that tree, embraced the ground that the tree is growing from. Ooh, the dirt. Have you ever just felt the leaves, the vines, the bushes? Just walked through the forest or the woods and just touch the trees. Has that ever been a thought to you? To appreciate nature? To appreciate how beautiful nature is, how amazing, spectacular, beautiful. Like, it is breathtakingly magical. When you just go on a walk on a trail and you see all those leaves and the trees and the different magical beings attached to those trees and what, like what their lives look like, Even if you can't see, you could use your imagination. Gaia is a beautiful place, beautiful. Gaia is a beautiful place. One moment. Nature isn't appreciated the way nature should be appreciated. We humans don't act the way we should be acting in regards to nature. We act like nature is separate from us and not a part of us. The nature spirits are calling, and we need to answer the call. Come. Take my hand right now in this moment. Let's hold hands. You hear that? That was confirmation that you should take my hand. Take my hand. Let's go. Let's go into the woods together. Let's use our imagination. Sit with your legs crossed. Hold my hands. Let's go. Let's go on a wild adventure together. Let's see how beautiful nature is. Whoop! We just ended up in the beginning of a trail. It's a hiking trail. Take a deep breath in. Wow. Do you smell the pine? Oh, there's hikers up ahead. Let's go. Let's follow them. Do you see those long, beautiful willow trees? They are surrounding us all around as they go back and forth in the wind with their leaves, just a little. The wind's whistling through the leaves. Do you hear it? There goes a little chipmunk running through the leaves. Now, if you look over to your left, through the trees, let's try to hyper-focus a little bit. Focus on one area through the trees. There's like a little hill with green grass. And trees have fallen down all over it. That's what it looks like to us, to our eyes. But in reality, if your eyes open, you will see that that is where the Fae live. The Fae live all around us in the trees. Huts, leaves, air, plants, baskets. Did you know that the nature spirits fear us? They are not fans of us because we go and we chop down trees, we litter, we stomp on their leaves, we stomp on their houses, we don't take it seriously. We go and we make mess when we go into their homes. We have no appreciation for anything at all, actually. We have no respect. When they see us, they just feel like we're there to just take over. No respect. You drop our bubble gum in their nests, in their homes. And we don't teach our children about them. We teach our children that they're fables, wives' tales. Did you know that there would be a lot more things that were real? Like, Everything is imaginary because we tell everybody that it's imaginary, so our mind. Like they're saying, like if more people believed in them, then there would there'd be more sightings and stuff. I don't like there would be more seen because they are seen because they're everywhere. Okay. I just remembered that we were supposed to be in the forest together, and I went somewhere completely. I got carried away over there. Let's take ourselves from Fairy Den back over this side. And like I see gnomes speaking, calling themselves something else. Leprechauns. The nature spirits really want to. Okay, so some of the nature spirits would interact with us, but it's for us to make the first step. It's for us to take the first step and to show appreciation, respect, honor, not doubt everything. Appreciation is the big word that keeps popping up. Appreciation. Nobody even speaks to the trees. They're lonely. They want to be spoken to. They have so much wisdom, so much wise words to share with you. With all. We are all. Imagine if you were a tree in your past life. You withered away, or they chopped you down. You died, came back as a person, and forgot about trees altogether. That is what most of you do. You never come back. You never look back. We are one. We are you. We have much secrets and much answers. The keys that most of you are looking for. Answers to life. No one seeks. No one hears. They just see tree. Trees sad. Trees want to encourage life. Trees want to bring life. Trees are life. As we get back onto our path, we see a well to our right, flowing water. We walk up to it. We look inside and a fish jumps up. How the heck did that fish just jump out of the well? That's so weird. The fish says our water has gotten mucky, dirty, polluted. Our bodies are not pure as they should be because of the things in the water we ingest, and you eat us, much like the land foods you eat. Toxins, dirty. That's why the humans are so sick. The decline in humans. So what I'm seeing for nature is like the government, or it's like a food chain. So maybe, I don't know, like the people who are like giving us the food, like the government, like, so they all have certain things that they want inside the stuff that we eat. It's all recycled, basically. So it gets worse and worse. Be one with nature and grow your own. Have your own. Lots will not survive. Let's leave the trail now. What did you gather from that little walk we took? Did you see that just in a short moment of time, we could have conversations with all these nature spirits and learn from them? When is the last time you hugged a tree? Said hello to Mother Nature, the grass, the weeds, told the air you love it? When was the last time you acknowledged the wind? I love wind. Ooh, yes. Okay, so they told me to tell you the story. Okay, so, because nature is very healing, very, very healing. I remember when I was a young girl and I was having a horrible asthma attack. I was coughing like crazy. And I was coming back from school and my aunt put my hood over my head and buried me in a pile of snow. And won't you know, when I came out of that pile of snow, I stopped coughing. I was much better. Even though some of these things we don't think are for our benefit, like the snow, the rain, you know, the air, the grass, the dirt, these things can help us. That's why it's important for us to get outside and ground. Put your feet in the ground. Just ground with nature. Be one with nature. It's important for us to go outside and just exchange energies with the trees. Yes, it's very, very, these things, we are nature. And this is where we need to get our nutrition and our energy from. We should be eating more nature foods, right? Healthy things, not processed things that these people made that, you know, we don't really know where they're coming from. That's why our kids are developing differently nowadays, right? That's why they're acting differently. Everything is going differently, right? That's why. Because we've started to rely more on man-made things and not what nature has to offer us, because man-made things are filled with sugars and sweets and low vibrational things that will bring our vibrations down. It's time to go back to nature. To be of higher conscience, you have to realize that we have to leave behind the worldly things that we love so much. Find creative ways to incorporate nature into your home. So let's say it's snowing where you are right now, where I am right now. Snowed in? I don't know. Do some stuff with the snow. Shovel your snow. Make a snow angel. Make a snowman. Play with the snow. You know what I mean? Don't even have to go outside. Bring it in. Hey, who cares? It's your house. I bring the snow inside all the time. I even let my kids play with the snow. I make little areas for them. You know, like we make little snow cones in their little fake kitchen. We do little stuff with the snow. We do everything. We just try to make nature know that we love it no matter what form it comes in. The water we love. I love. Let your experiences with nature be experiences based on love and harmony, oneness. Let go of the division between you, I, and nature. And let's connect at all times, because we are nature, and nature is us. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.
In the forest deep and green, fairies dance like shadows seen.